I really do think that it's kind of messed up. The DoorDash doesn't give you very much time to actually take a look at the order, the delivery order, and kind of think for yourself, is that really worth it? That's why people like me get on the YouTube on the line and we crack the fucking code and then we tell you all about it. One thing I can tell you for absolute sure is all these algorithms for these big tech companies are rigged to screw you in a way that makes it sound like they're actually going to help you. They're not. Now my goal is at least $200 a day. And, you know, I'm willing to put in an 8-hour day if I can make $250 a day. But I'm going to start declining all these orders for $250, $275 that are asking me to drive like 8 miles or 4 or 5 miles for $2.75. Just not going to do it. And I'm going to try that and see if I can't make better money. Initially, I started this just to see if it was worth the time of day. But honestly, to see if I could just work for myself and not put up with anyone else's bullshit. And to be honest, if you get out and hustle, you can make some money. But I started with that idea. Then I formed a new goal. I saw there was some potential to make some money if you get out and hustle. And then my goal was $100 a day, which I'm struggling with. And then I finally realized what the problem is. It isn't me, it's DoorDash. Sometimes when you call in to the customer support, they pretty much aren't very helpful and try to get away with basically saying they don't know how to help you. So you really are out there on your own trying to figure out how to make it all work. So best of luck to you. I'm John Lee. Hit that like and subscribe button if you like my DoorDash Diaries. I really have been enjoying it. I'm on to the next one. If I were you, unless it's beneficial, I wouldn't accept any offers for DoorDash delivery service or any other delivery service that paid less than $5 at a total minimum, and that's only if it's actually within just a couple miles from where you pick it up. So really take a look at the order before you accept the offer. Does it take you outside of your zone? Are you having to pay to drive 20 miles or 20 minutes back to your zone so that you can be eligible for more jobs? They say you'll average between $15 and $20 and $25 an hour. But I can tell you, sometimes that's true, but sometimes it's not. I soon realized by being a go-along, just really agreeable and looking for that part of my metric to be solid and look good, really had the potential to screw me over, and that not every order was a high-paying order, nor was it actually a win-win situation for all parties involved. You have to look at each offer and not worry about your acceptance rate. When I first started, that was my main goal, accept every offer and learn everything I could. But the crazy thing is, I make more in tips than I do from the base pay. You don't have any guarantee of getting a tip. DoorDash, like many other delivery services, will hire you as a subcontractor, 1099. So their ultimate ideal goal is to pay you as little as humanly possible and totally try to supplement your wage for your service by the tips that you make. So a lot of people DoorDash part-time. But if you're looking at DoorDashing as a full-time supplemental income, then you should consider these things. Also, their customer service and Dasher support call center is located in South America, so it really makes it difficult when there's a language barrier. Even though they speak English, they don't do it very well. You used to have about 90 seconds to accept a delivery offer. Now you only have about 30 seconds for single orders to 45 seconds to about 80 seconds to 50 seconds for double order. This is what I think about diversity, equity, and inclusion. America, rebuilding trust through transparency. If you like my DoorDasher Diaries and my tips and tricks, be sure and hit that like and subscribe button for me for the YouTube algorithms. And check out my other videos so you don't miss any of my shenanigans.